Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a credit card account alerts for a change in credit card fees on Atlas. All right, it's going to be a really quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one. Just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this set up. All right, so let's jump straight into it. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is to log into your Atlas online banking platform, or you could choose to log into the Atlas mobile app on your mobile device. Now, once you're logged into your account, just select the credit card account that you want to set up a credit card fees change alerts for. And once that's selected, you just want to click on account alerts and then select the credit card fee change alerts option. And once you've selected that, you're going to need to review and customize the alert settings. And once that's done, just confirm the account settings, alert settings one more time, and review the alert preferences just to make sure that everything is accurate. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up a credit card account alert for a change in your credit card fees on Atlas. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will catch you guys in the next one.